So, hi everyone. In today's session, let us understand the second element that we have out of the Pancha Mahabhuta, the five elements of nature, that is air element or Vayu Tattva. Now, before I actually start about telling you the attributes associated, the zones that are related, the design considerations, the activities that are related to this, and also the metal that is related, let me first tell you why exactly do we consider air as the second element. Now, like you guys know from our previous session when I was covering, I told you the four zones that are related to water, out of which the northeastern zone was mentioned as a transition zone. So, why do we mention this as a transition zone? So, basically, what happens is because when you look into a general atmospheric level, what you'll be able to see is when water evaporates over a period of time, there is a certain transition where water initially converts to a gaseous state, that is water vapor, later which becomes a part of air. Hence, you can see that the movement from water to air is happening. So here the transition from the water element to the air element is happening, and hence we call this as a zone at which that transition is happening. So the northeastern zone is where the transition happens from the water element to the air element. Now that you've been able to understand to this, let me come into helping you understand what are the zones that are associated to the air element. Now the air element, when you get to know in detail, the zones that are firstly associated is the east northeast, second is basically the east, the third is the east southeast. So when you look into the east northeast in detail, the attribute associated to this is basically fun and recreation. The second, that is east, when you look into detail, it is basically associated with promotions, or it's associated with career growth and all of that. The third zone that is associated with this is the east southeast zone, which is basically related to anxiety and churning. And again, east southeast is also a transition zone. We'll come into this later, but these three are the major zones that air is related to, the element of air is related with. Next, let us come into understanding the design considerations. Now, like you guys know, here from water, after evaporation, it's turning into air. And since air, when you look into it, basically we talk about oxygen. So in terms of oxygen, some of the elements that can be kept here are plants. And since plants are predominantly dominating this zone, we have, things like colors green and colors brown that can be used extensively in these zones. That is the air zones. Apart from that, in terms of shapes, a rectangle shape is something that can be used predominantly. You can either use this in terms of the furniture that you're placing, you can use these designs or patterns in the curtains, the rugs, or any decor elements that you're placing inside the space to enhance the energies to flow into your space. Next, when I'm talking about the ideal activity areas or zones that can be put into these zones, I would suggest you look into gardens or balcony spaces over here, because they are more related to having more airy and lighter space associated to this. So you can consider these two elements. The last bit that I'll be covering today is understanding the metal that is associated with these air zones. So the metal that is associated is basically the stainless steel. So this is the metal that can be associated, and this can be used in terms of your designs and incorporated even as your remedies to enhance the positive energies to flow into your space. So saying that, thank you very much.